name's Dr. Hussain. I'm a GP at Clarendon Medical Centre, and I'd just like to say, after much consideration, we are the proud owners of the EV 3000i, where we've done this following a number of meetings in the practice, and we feel as though this is the right fit in terms of our infection control measures that we're taking in our practice over here, but also in our other site practice as well. So yeah, so would recommend this to other potential healthcare organisations who are thinking of purchasing something to integrate as part of their infection control protocols. Thank you.